Hello and welcome to our NestKing tutorial. Before we go into the tutorial and into the NestKing itself, I would like to highlight the fact that we have a free demonstration for 3 months where you can get the full NestKing license for free for 3 months. To do that, visit our homepage and just request a free demo. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us via the contact form down here and we will be in touch with you shortly. Any questions or even a brief meeting to show you some features of NestKing is perfectly fine. Get in contact with us and we will manage. Now, let's go to NestKing. For today, we are going to do a very simple tutorial on how to use a fiber orientation tool, which is a new feature in NestKing. And for that, we will create a simple file. Go to Sketcher and start creating very simple shapes. I would like to highlight two things: that the scale is now 100 millimeters apart on both axes. By zooming in, you can change that to 50 millimeters apart. This is fine for me for today. And I'm going to start with a simple rectangle. The next will be a slot. And the final section is a simple arrow. Now by pressing escape, you will abort the tool. You can see that you have all these geometries on the black design layer. You can either put them manually on any layer you like by selecting the object and changing layer to text layer, for instance. But I'm going to put it back to the design now and mark them all. Use the optimizer to do the job for me. You can see red is the outer geometry, and here this greenish line is the inner geometry, also shown in here, layer 2. NestKing can detect this automatically and saves you some work. Next thing, I would like to create an arrow for the fiber orientation and put this one onto the plot layer so that NestKing doesn't cut it later during the cutting and shaping and so on. For that, I'm going to pick this tool and just create a simple arrow. By highlighting it and changing the layer, I can move it to layer 4, plot geometry. And I would like to scale it down a little. Nice. And next I will copy paste this into every other geometry. And I will rotate it according to the later fiber orientation. So for the rectangle, I would like the fibers to point from the left lower corner to the right upper corner. So I can take this one and first I will move the point down here and then rotate around this point in this direction, and now we can move it out of the corner if you really like this. I'm quite happy with the orientation down here, and here for the arrow I will change the orientation facing upwards. Rotate. Yeah. Let me think. Yeah, I can choose this one, then this, and simply rotate 90 degrees precisely, and then I will move the arrow back in place. Nicely done. Next thing is to go to our material database here, and I will show you how to create a local material. For this, there will be another video specifically for this purpose. Stay watching.